Welcome, young explorers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of heredity and traits, a big part of what makes us who we are. By the end of this journey, you'll know what heredity is, understand how traits are passed down in families, and learn why traits are so important for all living things. This video is your adventure guide and will help you navigate each challenge in the Phantom Carnival escape room. First, let's talk about heredity. Heredity is the process of passing traits from parents to their children. But what are traits? Traits are physical characteristics or features like eye color, height, or even dimples. These are things that can be inherited, meaning they come from your family, like having your dad's curly hair or your mom's eye color. Now here's something cool. Not all traits are inherited. Some traits are acquired. They come from experiences. For example, if you learn to play the guitar, that's an acquired skill. But having brown eyes? That's an inherited trait, passed down through heredity. So remember, traits can be inherited from your family or acquired from experiences. This will help you in the Hall of Mirrors, the first challenge in the escape room. Now, how exactly are traits passed down from parents to children? It all starts with genes. Genes are the instructions in our bodies that tell us what traits to have. They're like tiny books that hold information about things like hair color, eye color, and height. When parents pass down genes, their children receive different combinations, which is why you might have brown eyes like your mom but curly hair like your dad. Sometimes even siblings have different traits because of these unique gene combinations. And here's something interesting. Some traits are dominant, meaning they are more likely to show up, while others are recessive, so they might not appear even if they're there. This mix of dominant and recessive traits is why each family member can look a little different. In the fortune teller's tent in the escape room, you'll learn more about these genes and how they create family traits. Lastly, let's look at why traits matter so much in the natural world. Traits help living things survive. This is called adaptation. Think about animals you know. A cheetah's speed is a trait that helps it catch food. A polar bear's thick fur is a trait that keeps it warm in icy environments. These inherited traits help animals thrive in their habitats. The same goes for humans. Inherited traits can affect our abilities, like strength or endurance. But for animals, inherited traits can mean the difference between survival and struggle. You'll explore this in the Enchanted Menagerie in the escape room, where you'll see different animals and how their traits help them survive in the wild. Now that you know the basics of heredity, traits, and adaptation, you're ready to take on the Phantom Carnival. Remember, this adventure guide video is here to help you anytime you need it. And if you're excited to learn even more through science adventures, visit excavatingadventures.com. You'll find tons of interactive, educational escape rooms, and you can even earn free dig kits as you explore. Good luck in the Phantom Carnival, and enjoy your adventure.